Um,
Go ahead, baby. It's all you.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Isabella. I gotta bring my nail polish.
You wanna bring your nail polish?
Yeah.
All right, baby. It's all you. Go for it.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Isabella. We're gonna do this nail polish instead. This is a nail polish nails. Let's do this.
I don't think they can see you, sweetheart.
I gotta show my friends.
You wanna show your friends? Okay.
This is nail polish. Now, let's get this over.
Does mommy make silly faces when I'm on a camera too?
Yeah?
I do.
When you was a kid?
When I was a kid?
Yeah.
I didn't do YouTube when I was a kid. Okay,
Oh my goodness.
What?
This is a long nails. And I mean, girl.
What's wrong with you? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are, little mama? You a clown. You all done, mama?
Yeah.
Okay, you just painting your nails, okay? You running out of space in the camera, so you want to say anything else to the camera?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
I want to say yes. I want to say this monster is crazy. This monster is crazy.
You gotta look here. See?
I'm looking. Now this is a nail. This is nail polish for lips.
For lips? You got it on your nose?
Now this is all.
Okay, are we done?
Not yet. We gotta do my tiptoes, my other tiptoes, and this.
Bella, you don't have to paint your nails on the camera, okay? They can't even see you paint your nails. Do you want to say anything to the camera?
This is, I like how much deep.
Okay, give me your nail polish, please, before you spill it. Okay, making
My
a mess.
other nail's not pink.
Okay, you can do them when you're done, okay? And you want to say bye-bye to the camera? Say bye-bye to your YouTube subscribers?
No.
You don't want to?
No.
Alrighty. Mommy's cutting it off, okay?
No.
So you have to say something, and you have to get in the camera if you're going to say it.
This is really gonna get done, and thank you for my channel. Thank you for my channel for my makeup. Bye. Welcome to my channel. Bye.
You're so cute, girl. Alright. Good job, sweetheart.